This is how to publish a Roblox game. You're going to need the Roblox player, or the website works as well, and Roblox Studio. We're going to open up Roblox Studio and navigate to the world that we want to publish. In this case, I would like to publish this world. First, we're going to save it, so we're going to go up here in the top left and hit File. Go down to Save to Roblox As. Hit Create New Game on the bottom left here. And here we're going to put in all the information. I'm going to name our world Pirate World. We're going to add whatever description if you'd like. Hit Save. Then we're going to head over to File once again. Go to Game Settings. And here you would change everything that you would like enable microphone. This is important too. Permissions it would be your friends, to the public, or private to only you. So you've done all that, hit save. We're going to open up the Roblox player and refresh it. We're going to navigate over to our profile right here and go to creations. And as you see right here, the world is published to Roblox. I can play it if I like. That is how to publish your Roblox game.